Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to tell you a story, The Glass of Milk. So once upon a time there was a poor boy who used to sell papers to earn money. He made his living by selling papers only. Sometimes he used to sell school stationery too. His business was not so good because people were not interested in those things those days. It was like in the 19th century. So the poor boy was very kind. He used to help everyone. So he helps everyone, those who need it. One day he helped a grandmother to cut the lawn of grass. And next, one day two friends were playing and one of them got severely injured. So then he takes a cloth and makes it cold and wraps it around the wound, and the pain of the friend gets reduced. He was so thankful to the poor boy because he helped them. The poor boy wanted to become a doctor, but he can't afford the school and college fee. He is struggling to pay the fees of school because he sells only papers and other kind of stuff. So one day, while walking across a street, the boy got very tired and hungry that he decides to go to any of the house and asks for food. He knocks on a door of a house. A young beautiful woman opens the door. After seeing him, she understood the poor boy's condition and welcomed him inside and gave him a huge glass of milk. The poor boy was very thankful and he drank it. Later, he asked the girl, "How much should I pay you for it?" The beautiful girl says, "No, you don't need to pay for it. I am giving you this for free." The boy was thankful once again. The girl says to the boy, "I know your hardships. It is very hard to not eat food and do not study. Never lose hope and never give up. Do hard work and study and become a doctor." The boy thanks her. So he leaves. After many years, the the boy and the girl grew up. So the girl grew up and became a woman. So she had a very serious problem, that is a rarest neural disease. So the illness was very severe. She had to be admitted in advanced facilities and hospitals. So Mr. Dr. Kevin, who is a eminent neurologist, was instructed to give treatment to her. So he was very talented. The surgery was successful. So the woman was worried because it costs a lot of money to do this. So she thought that if I opened it, I may not be able to pay the bill amount. So with tension, she opens the bill and gets surprised because the bill was cancelled and she found a note. It was written in the note like that the bill was paid many years ago with a glass of milk. She gets astonished because she finds that the poor boy for whom she gave milk is now become a great doctor, that is Dr. Kevin. So they spoke for some time and she thanked him. So the moral of the story is we should help others and they will help us back when we need them the most. Thank you.